Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change exposure mode on the Sony ZV-1 II. So first, what you guys need to do is click the menu button. Now go over to exposure and color, which is the pink icon. Now here we will have the exposure, so basically click it. Here you can change the ND filter. Now here you can also change, let me show you guys, here we have the exposure composition, and yeah, here you can change everything like the white balance, color tone. You can't like exactly change the exposure mode, but you can change a lot of those settings to make it look different. So yeah, that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.